Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and this is mainly going to focus on another, I guess, thankful video or awareness or appreciation, but I guess I'm just blown away by this number right here. 52 subscribers in the past 4 weeks, and some of the highest watch time in 4 weeks. But truly, the purpose of this is this one right here. It is 1,000 views of the second conversion, and just kind of got away from me. Didn't really. I knew it was happening or knew it was going to happen, but I just can't tell you guys thank you enough. This wouldn't happen without you. You guys are having to dig through all these impressions right here. This is the impression chart, and watch and click through and watch multiple views, and I don't know. I'm just blown away by it, because today is going to be another really big day of watch time and views, and the conversion rate from views to subscriber is continuously going up. So I never ever want to take that for granted, or you guys for granted. And some really awesome comments and questions that have come through in the past few days. And there's one that was sitting out there. It's going to be a little bit a time to get to because we need to build to it, but just super great questions. And just going to want to do a quick video today because I never want to miss these milestones, because these are because of you. And what is it right here, right now, just to keep you guys aware, 319 subscribers. So just growing every day, and I never ever want you to think that I take you guys for granted, because you guys are a wonderful audience, and wonderful support system too, and keeping me on my toes and giving me great feedback. Some of the best suggestions really catapulted the channel. So and there are some videos that I think they're going to do well and they don't, and then there's others that I never think are that interesting. So I'm continuously figuring out what you guys are interested in and would like to see, and when you guys leave comments and questions and video requests, that of course those perform the best. So the performance on this channel is because of you guys. So I never want to let an opportunity go by without saying thank you. So quick video today, but thanks for watching. We'll keep going on our few series we have going: pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, the baby names, that's with pandas, and a couple other things. But as always, guys, thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that watermark down below, and please leave any comments, questions, or any video requests below, and I'll get right to them. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.